Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna go with the buyers after this candle. Let's see where this is gonna close. Oh, what is this? Okay, I'm gonna go with the buyers right here. This is a ranging market. Okay, this is a ranging market, so basically we can trust the upper and lower ranges. If you look at this area at the higher time frame, you'll find some doji or spinning candles. Look at this. In 30 minutes we find this doji. Okay, and in 1 minute we're gonna be a ranging market. And if the ranging this is the ranging market, look at the previous candles. You see maximum 2 red candles or 2 green candles. At this point we got 3 of them, but it's just totally 2 and 3 candles. Okay, we never had 4 consecutive candles at this range, so that's why I just go with the buyers and take this trade as a call option. Okay, ranging markets are pretty easy to trade. For example, at this point, if you want to take the next trade, you can enter it with marginal safety. Okay, I wouldn't suggest going like with the sellers or buyers straightforward, but here the sellers might enter because of its round number, so that's why it's better to just enter with marginal safety. Let's see. Okay, what is the closest level? Is this one? Not super strong, not very strong, but they are just rejecting. Look at the past. Let me just open the pen. So the trend is here. I mean, the minimum, like a minor trend is here, downtrend. Oh, it's a downtrend. And if this is the support area, and if you look at the past, we got a couple of rejections previous time from here, so we might have. I will go with the sellers here. My phone is ringing, I'm sorry. Okay, so yeah, I go with sellers right here because we have a little bit of gap. I thought they might, fill the gap, but it seems that these rejections are still have a lot of buyers. Okay, so we have buyers entry from here, but there is a supply area. So if it goes up, I will enter a trade for 2 minutes right here. It means that this trade is going to close on the next candle. Okay, let's see. I'm expecting that the next candle close below this one because I'm not expecting a very huge move from this buyers right here. Okay, even though this has picked up this buyers here as well, but this is called a fresh resistance. Okay, I never talked about this, but this is a strong supply area. Let me see. Okay, we got this trend line and basically it's doing the same thing. Look at this, but here there's a difference. This is outside bar, one more reason to take a sell trade. But since there's no level, I didn't trust this one. So let me just draw it. Yeah, there's still a gap though. And the previous trade is about to be a winning trade. 2, 1, let's go. And here I really want to go with the sellers, but I'm not sure, because this is not a very strong candle. It's a spinning candle and still there's a gap, so I'm not going to take any trade on this one. Okay, okay, I entered right here because you see that this is a rejection point, right? This is a, if you draw the common rejection, you see that the price has been rejecting from this area a couple of times. The main seller's entry should be up there. Okay, this right here, and the buyer's entry is gonna be down here. Okay, so basically the price is moving like this. Okay, this is uptrend. right, so okay, here we have obvious uptrend, base rally, and just keep going up. But I think it has touched this seller's entry up there, and yeah, it's dropping. If you look at the past, all right, no opportunity here. Let's move on. Look how beautiful this trade was. There was also a chance for marginal safety. I mean, this trade was very good. Again, we're creating an engulfing pattern. I'm gonna go with the bars for 2 minutes because this is just, no, not anymore. Not anymore. But if I want to go with the bars, I have to go lower amounts. So I can add one more trade down here. I'm gonna go with the buyers because see that the price supported here, and also here we got this spinning candle close on this area, and this is a buyer's entry. So this is a major and minor downtrend, but this is a reversal candle closing on the level. So that's why I'm expecting a green candle. Oh my god, this is also 2 minutes. No problem, maybe we got one of these and then go up, so it's even better to have 2 minutes. Okay, and this trade is about to be a losing trade. You see, if this was a very good engulfing, that would be good trade, but you know, since we got this weak buyer's candle, that's why this trade is struggling. But no worries, because this is half, like even lower than half. Okay, so no worries. Yeah, it's closed, no problem. Yeah, we got this doji right here. I really want this candle to close out like this. That would be perfect. Okay, I thought it's gonna close down here, then I would go with the buyers again, because we would broke this doji and this is a buyer's entry, right? So the buyers would obviously enter again. But here I'm waiting for this candle to close somewhere here like this, and then I will take the doji trade combining with this trend line. Okay, so but here this is a strong sign that we're probably gonna have a double bottom here. Because if you look at here, you see that the previous time we have this red and then green and then red and then again jumped out. So this is the last effort of sellers. They were not successful. And again, we got this green. Let me just draw this. Look at this green one, right? And then red one, this doji, and then green one, this one. So it's breaking the doji. Didn't break the doji. Oh my god. Didn't break the doji, but it created this rejection point here. Okay. Also here. Oh, this was crazy entry. This was crazy entry. I'm not gonna enter this one because this is too close. Yeah, this trade right here, like If I was smart enough, I would take this trade. Okay. So let's see what this candle is gonna do. I think they're gonna reject this one because the sellers are super strong down up there. Let's see. I'm gonna go with 100 here because, oh, I don't like this gap down, bro. Anyways, the sellers are going crazy. Yeah, having this dynamic trade amount helps you that you can take, like if you have a trade that you really want to take the trade, but it's high risk, for example, this one, you can just lower the risk, lower the amount equals to lower the risk in binary option, okay, if you're not sure about the trade. But you have to be able to detect the lower probability trade from the higher ones. All right. Okay, it seems that we're gonna just keep going with the trend down, and this was just a stop loss. I mean, grabbing liquidity, whatever it is they call it, and I'm just gonna probably keep going until down here. Okay, so we might have a retracement here. There's a high probability of having a retracement as a green candle because we broke this doji again, and previously this area was a strong buyer's area. Okay, and also this is a pattern that it can have retracement, but oftentimes when we have sudden drop after liquidity grab or manipulation or whatever you call this one, basically when market moves like this, okay, they try to fool people or traders by breaking to the upside first and then they drop. Okay, so in most cases when we have sudden drop, they just keep going. But it depends what the situation is. For example, here we have this doji and a strong, previously strong support. We might get the retracement, but in most cases, if we have clear trend, it's gonna just keep dropping. Okay, so don't ever go against the trends started from manipulation. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please drop a like for me. And you can try all of this in the demo account. There's a free demo account in the description. Thank you for watching. Peace out.